Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Podcast Studio. My name is Lee, and today I am going to talk about 10 common English mistakes that beginners make and how you can fix them today. I will speak slowly and clearly, like a teacher, so that you can follow each point without any difficulty. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me when I ask you to. Are you ready? Good. Let us begin. The first mistake that many learners make is saying, he don't like tea. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, he doesn't like tea. For he, she, and it, we always use doesn't. Listen again slowly. He doesn't like tea. Say it with me. He doesn't like tea. Very good. That sounds much better. The second mistake is confusing in and on. Many students say, I am in the bus, but that is not correct. We say, I am on the bus. We use on for bus, train, and plane, but we use in for car and taxi. Listen again. I am on the bus. I am in the car. Repeat slowly. On the bus. In the car. Excellent. The third mistake is saying, I am agree. This is a very common mistake. The correct way is, I agree. There is no am. Just say it simply. I agree. Listen again. I agree. Repeat after me. I agree. Very nice. The fourth mistake is forgetting the S in the third person singular. Learners say, she play football, but the correct sentence is, she plays football. With he, she, and it, we must add S or ES to the verb. Say it with me slowly. She plays football. He works hard. It rains a lot. Excellent work. The fifth mistake is using very much too often. Some students say, I like pizza very much. It is not wrong, but it is not natural. Native speakers say, I really like pizza, or I like pizza a lot. So next time, instead of saying very much, say, I really like it, or I like it a lot. That will sound more natural. The sixth mistake is saying, she is beautiful than her. This is incorrect. The correct way is, she is more beautiful than her. We use more with longer adjectives. For example, she is more intelligent than him. This car is more expensive than that one. Repeat after me slowly. More beautiful. More expensive. Very good. The seventh mistake is saying people is. Students sometimes say people is happy, but this is not correct. The word people is plural, so we must say people are happy. Listen carefully. People are, not people is. Say it again slowly. People are friendly. Perfect. The eighth mistake is using the wrong word order in questions. Many beginners say, where you are going, but that is not correct. The correct way is, where are you going?
In a question, the verb comes before the subject. Listen again. Where are you going? Why are you late? What are you doing? Repeat these slowly until they feel natural. The ninth mistake is mixing much and many. Students say, I have much friends. That is wrong. We must say, I have many friends. Remember, we use many for countable nouns and much for uncountable nouns. For example, I have many books. I don't have much time. Say it again slowly. Many friends. Much time. Excellent.
The 10th mistake is forgetting articles. Learners say, I bought new phone, but the correct way is, I bought a new phone. We need a or an before singular countable nouns. For example, a cat is sleeping, an apple is red. Do not forget your articles. They are very important. Now let us review all 10 mistakes one more time. Number 1, he don't should be he doesn't. Number 2, in the bus should be on the bus. Number 3, I am agree should be I agree. Number 4, she play should be she plays. Number 5, very much should be really or a lot. Number 6, beautiful than should be more beautiful than. Number 7, people is should be people are. Number 8, where you are should be where are you. Number 9, much friends should be many friends. Number 10, I bought phone should be I bought a phone. That's it for today. You did an amazing job. Remember, practice is the key. Listen again, repeat slowly, and use the correct forms in your daily conversations. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will become. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Lee from English Podcast Studio, wishing you happy learning. I will see you next time. Goodbye.